MCRB, stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy? How exactly am I approaching this? Watch this short video till the end. I've done well over 40,000 videos in 5 years into the market. I've literally have everything documented on my YouTube channel, all ups and downs and all whatnot. And this is still one heck of a market. You know, first thing that I must say is that it's a bearish one. It's really a bearish one. And even like with the reverse split that we've got, nothing changes the fact that the likelihood that this thing just kind of keeps crashing is still quite high. So all I'm about to say is that, yeah, we broke structure. For me to be bullish, would like to see it like breaks above 10 or something, but currently it's just a bearish range. Like even intermediary structure ranges, if there's a double break confirmation, I'm looking to sell. Like, I don't know about you, but this is what I've seen most success with. And yeah, I want to hear your thoughts in the comments. It's very short term. And if you want to learn how I'm consistently making 5 to 10K per month without indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails.